How to delete invoice in Xero. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete an invoice in Xero. And the first thing to do is to log in into your Xero account. Once you're logged in into your Xero account, you will be brought to your dashboard automatically. Now, once you're on this dashboard, by the top of the screen, you will see a list of options. All right, such as your dashboard, business, accounting, project, contact. Just select business. Once business has been selected, in the menu, select invoices. Once you select invoices, you will be brought to the invoices page. Currently, I do not have any invoice. That is why this place is empty. But for you, you will see the list of your invoice on this page. Once you see the list of your invoice and then you want to delete an invoice, just click on the invoice you want to delete. Once you click on it, a box will pop up displaying a list of options such as mark as paid, etc. Just select the delete option. When you select it, you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to delete that invoice. Click on yes, and then the invoice would be deleted. So this is how you can delete an invoice in Xero. Thanks for watching.